Good morning or good afternoon. Guess what day it is? It's my favorite day of the week, y'all. It is Sanctuary Sunday. That's the day I don't do nothing, but I decided I'm gonna let y'all in on this journey for real, for real. And so we out here on a Sanctuary Sunday. And I got some stuff to do in the yard, y'all, and I'm so excited. Y'all see it behind me. Y'all see? We got some stuff going. We got some stuff cooking. I'm telling y'all. But anyway, we are in the yard. But I ain't prepared yet. So, y'all see what I got on? That don't look like appropriate attire for the sanctuary. So, hold on. I'll be right back. Hold on. I guess we gotta bring him too. Alright, y'all, that's more like it. That's more like it. Yo, tap in. So we back and we in the proper attire for Sanctuary Sunday. So check it out. I got a little project behind me I've been working on. I've been showing y'all those slips and grippers of it. You hear the music in the background, that's how I vibe out, you know. So if y'all don't sing Sanctuary Sunday, y'all know. Some of y'all don't stop by the house, y'all see what we do. But I got a little project I'm working on back here. And this is what I do to take care of my mental. So sometimes it can get a little emotional, and sometimes, all the time, it's about alignment. So anyway, let's get into it. So you see what's behind me. This pile of sand is, I made 2 beds. And so what I'm gonna do is level this out so I can get a better look and I can get it more uniform. So in the bed over there, we already have some collars in there, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick glimpse of that because it's beautiful. But anyways, we're gonna record this today, and as the video is playing through, I'm gonna talk about it. We're gonna try to see how that works as we figure out how we're gonna film this. So y'all tap in with us, like, subscribe, and share, and comment if you with what we got going, because we got a lot going on. Check the link in the description and you can see everything that I'm working on, and maybe it'll make sense to you. So y'all tap in with us. sure you can hear it in my voice. It has been a long day, an amazing day. And I hope y'all enjoyed what y'all seen. Until next time, next Sanctuary Sunday, stay up, like, subscribe, tap in.